In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check my orders on Walmart. To get started, open the Walmart app on your phone or go to the Walmart website in your web browser. Once you're there, sign into your Walmart account using your login details. Make sure you're using the same account you used when placing the order, since your order history is tied to that account. After you've signed in, look for the account section and click or tap on it. This is where Walmart stores your personal shopping information, including your saved settings, payment preferences, and of course, your order history. From the account menu, select Purchase History or Orders, depending on which option appears on your screen. The wording may vary a little between the app and the website, but both options will take you to the same general place. Once you open that section, you'll see a list of your recent and past orders. This is helpful if you want to quickly confirm whether an order went through, check something you bought earlier, or review a delivery that's already been completed. Find the specific order you want to check, then click or tap on it to open the full details. Inside the order details page, you'll be able to review important information about that purchase. This includes the current order status, the items you purchased, and the delivery or pickup information. If tracking is available, you'll also see tracking details here. This section is especially useful when you're waiting for a package and want the most accurate update directly from Walmart. If your order has already shipped, look for the track shipment option and select it. This will show you the latest delivery updates, which can help you see where your package is and when it's expected to arrive. Keep in mind that tracking may take a little time to update after the shipment is first processed. If you're checking on an order that was canceled, returned, or refunded, open the same order details page and look at the status section. Walmart will usually show the current progress there, so you can confirm whether the return or refund has been completed. And if you placed your order as a guest instead of signing into an account, you can still check it by using Walmart's Track Orders feature. You'll need to enter the email address used for the purchase, along with the order number to pull up the order information. That's how to check your orders on Walmart quickly and easily.